Lemon ginger shots are a popular wellness drink that can be easily made at home. They are packed with nutrients and offer several health benefits. In this video, we will explore the nutritional value and 10 health benefits of lemon ginger shots. Are you missing out on the latest health trend? Lemon ginger shots are the new craze in the wellness community. They are easy to make, delicious, and offer several health benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to improve your health. Watch until the end for my favorite recipe, nutritional value. Ginger is a root that is packed with nutrients. It contains magnesium, vitamin C, potassium, iron, calcium, and sodium. Lemon is also a great source of vitamin C and antioxidants. When combined, ginger and lemon create a powerful health drink that can boost your immune system and improve your overall health. 10 health benefits. Lemon ginger shots offer several health benefits. 1. Boosts immune system. Lemon ginger shots are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help boost your immune system. 2. Reduces inflammation. Ginger contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce inflammation in the body. 3. Aids digestion. Ginger can help soothe digestive issues and reduce bloating. 4. Relieves nausea. Ginger is effective in reducing nausea, particularly during pregnancy. 5. Detoxifies the body. Lemon is a natural detoxifier and can help cleanse your body of toxins. 6. Improves skin health. Ginger contains antioxidants that can help improve skin health and reduce signs of aging. 7. Regulates blood sugar. Ginger can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. 8. Boosts brain function. Ginger contains compounds that can help improve brain function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. 9. Aids weight loss. Ginger and lemon together can help with weight loss by increasing metabolism. Reduces muscle pain. Ginger contains compounds that can help reduce muscle pain and soreness. Side effects. Ginger is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderation. However, consuming large amounts of ginger can cause stomach upset, heartburn, and diarrhea. If you are pregnant, you should consult your doctor before consuming ginger. Recipe. Here is a simple recipe for making lemon ginger shots at home. 1 inch of fresh ginger root. 1-2 lemon. 1-2 cup of water. Peel the ginger root and chop it into small pieces. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon. Add the ginger and lemon juice to a blender with 1-2 cup of water. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer. Serve immediately. Lemon ginger shots are a delicious and nutritious way to improve your health. They are easy to make at home and offer several health benefits. Try making them today and see how they can improve your overall health and well-being. Before you go, make yourself a shot. Please subscribe so you will be notified about new videos.